If we are asked to evaluate a given expression, quantity 5 times 2 plus 3 squared minus 6 divided by 2 times 1, as we notice, this given expression has multiple operations. So in order to evaluate this, there is a list of operations that needs to be followed. So let us first perform the group. So when you say group, we are referring to the grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, braces, including vinculum or the bar line of a fractions. Then followed by the exponent, if there is an exponent in our given. Next, operations are multiplication or division. Okay, so whichever comes first from left to right. And lastly, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. So the first letter of these words forms an acronym GEMDAS for us to remember this easily. So let's get started. So in our given, as we notice, we have here a grouping symbol which is a parenthesis. So it means this will be our priority. So let us perform the operation inside the grouping symbol, and that is 5 times 2, and this gives us 10. Then write the rest of the symbols and numbers. Next, let us examine again the given. So as we notice, there is an exponent here, which is our next priority. So let us perform 3 squared. So 3 squared means 3 times 3, and that is 9. Then write the rest of the operations and numbers. Next, we are left with plus, minus, divide, times. So our next priority is multiplication or division. So in here, division is written first from left going to the right. So we will start with 6 divided by 2 before multiplying them. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then write down the rest of the symbols and numbers and perform the multiplication. 3 times 1, and that is 3. Then write down the rest of the symbols and numbers. Then in plus and minus, since addition is written on the right, going to, on the left side of minus, so we will prioritize the plus. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Then finally, 19 minus 3 is 16, and this is our final answer. In our next given, 2 cubed divided by 2 times quantity negative 7 plus 5. So as we can see, we have here a parenthesis, so this is our priority. So negative 7 plus 5, this gives us negative 2. Then write the rest of the terms. Next, we have here an exponent, division, and multiplication. So our next priority is the exponent. 2 cubed means multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2, and this gives us 8. Then write the rest of the symbols. Next, between division and multiplication, so in our GEMDAS, it should be multiplication is written first, but in our order, since division is written first from left going to the right, so we have to prioritize division because they are just one. So 8 divided by 2, this gives us 4. Then write times negative 2, and finally 4 times negative 2, that is negative